Today we're going to talk about another water softener myth. Does resin inside the mineral tank last forever? In one of our other videos we showed you what resin looks like, and it's a small man-made plastic BB, basically, and there's billions and billions of them inside this tank. And they're very small, and a couple of things can happen with your resin. Chlorine, they'll start out really perfectly round spheres, and over time chlorine burns them and flattens them out a little bit, and that is why your water flow will decrease over time. The other thing that will happen is if you take two marbles and just push them in your hands and do that for 6 months, they're going to be the size of sand because of the friction against each other. So each time it regenerates, those BBs are rubbing against each other, and that's going to make them a little bit smaller. So these companies that say resin has a lifetime warranty, it's really, they might be warrantying it for lifetime, their word that they'll take care of it, but resin manufacturers will never warranty their resin for life because, again, chlorine and just them rubbing against each other is going to degrade the resin. So be very wary of someone who says that the resin will last a lifetime. Find out whose lifetime and how long they really think that is. Resin should last anywhere between 7 and 15 years on average before the resin needs to be taken out. We've had a few samples of water come in that they're on well water, and they'll last a very long time. We've had some in the Stone Oak area that only get 5 to 7 years out of their resin because the chlorine content is so high in those areas. So again, if you have any other questions about lifetime guarantees on resin, just give us a call and we'll talk about it. Thank you.